Rea Vaya operating company Ditsamaiso has vowed that bus services will not resume until the city of Johannesburg settles a significant portion of its outstanding debt, shareholders revealed during a media briefing in Rosebank this afternoon. Shareholders claim the city owes 60.2 million rand for Phase 1A and 25 million rand for Phase 1C, adding that while the municipality has undertaken to pay 7.1 million rand next week, they are demanding at least 50% of the outstanding amount before buses return to the road. The shareholders say they will remain at the company's offices until meaningful engagement takes place and the payment dispute is resolved.
Company yethu ingathi ayitholi ukuneliseka from City of Johannesburg due to ama late payment nama less payment abasikolota yona. Basikolota imali engango 60.2 million excluding imali yema invoice a weekly. And this Phase 1B Ditsamaiso is also managing Phase 1C le eyase Alex nayo iyasikweleta imali engango 25 million. So sithola sisebunzimeni ukuthi icompany le yethu sizoyirana kanjani masine ikweleti ezikweleta zona singabhadalwa in time. Si decide ukuthi amabhasi ame sicela uxolo kuma passenger ethu because they've already paid for ama ticket, but we have to have seen we cannot load them while amabhasi egula because there are parts that are needed to be bought so that amabhasi abe right. So as we speak, amabhasi amaningi amile. Si decide nalawo besebenza ukuthi ame because awekho esimeni esihle. There are lots of parts that are needed. So besicela ukuthi basibekezelele. Icompany yethu Ditsamaiso isazama ukukhulumisana no City ukuthi City isibhadale 50% so that sikwazi ukuthi sibhadale ama suppliers including ama shareholders, because this month the shareholders were supposed to get ama ROT. Ama dates esasivumelene ngawo first we move it to the 7th, we move it to the 15th, we move it to the 17th. Today is the 17th. There's no payment eyile kuma shareholders.